price of gold is at a very important level. Understand that on the day wise chart you can see the price is continuously upside. I have clearly mentioned you that there will be a probability of further upside because we have seen there are two trends are forming. First this particular trend, okay, second was this particular trend. Okay, when there is a zone breakout happens at this level, we have seen that the next important resistance was this, and after that we have seen there is a continuous upside. So I've clearly mentioned you that after 4100 chances of going towards next level is high. After touching a level of 4300 we have seen it has moved out of this zone. Okay, first it has moved out of this zone and then second is this. Okay, from this particular level we could have seen a bounce back, but it didn't bounce back, and after 4400, which is an important level, okay, that the price was moving further upside. I've clearly mentioned you that there will be a upside movement as soon as it started going higher, and that will be a faster level. It will touch 4600. See, the price is already above that level. Now if you look at this trend, what we can see, if you look at this trend, we can see clearly that there is a higher chances that the price can move further upside, okay, towards a level of around 4700, and if the price keep moving over this level, probability of going towards a level of 4715 will be there, which is support 2. And once started rising above this level, probability of touching 4750 will be there, which is the level. From there a bounce back can be seen, and this is an important level. Understand that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 4623, which is previous day high, so probability can be high that if it sustain this level, then a bounce back can come, or if it touches this level, a bounce back can come, which is around 4623. Okay, this is the level a bounce back can come, but if the price didn't bounce back, it will go further down, and yes, after that a probability of going towards 4593 will be there, and if the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 4542 level. Okay, and if the price keep falling below that level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of 4550, and then a further downfall can be seen. So remember, these are the three important level on the downside, that if it sustain below that level, a level of 4650, then we can see a further fall towards 4623, which is an important level. So from this level we can see a bounce back, a level of around 4542 we can see a bounce back, and a level of around 4450. Okay, this is the level where from there we can see a bounce. But if the price didn't bounce back, chance of touching 4400 is there, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen. Okay, so if the price keep moving over 4650, we will see that there is a probability of upside. So trail your SL by around $15 to $20, because we have seen a good movement in the gold prices, but if it keeps falling below a level of 4600, probability of further fall can be seen, because we have seen a strong level is at around 4623 level. So if it keep falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen, but if it keeps sustaining above this level, a